What happens when a dam's crucial canal is on the verge of spilling over? Disaster, right? Well, not today. The team at MK Project is stepping in to save the day, taking on this urgent repair mission with an incredible twist. And trust me, this isn't your typical construction story. Japan's history with devastating monsoon floods adds some serious stakes here, so the pressure is on. But fear not, they're using a game-changing technique called fabric formwork. Yep, they're about to turn what's usually a months-long operation into a crazy 2-day sprint. Curious how? Let's break it down. First, a fabric sheet is laid along the canal's base and sides. Think of it like wrapping a giant burrito, but instead of guac, they're filling it with concrete. This material molds to every curve, forming the perfect shape for the waterway. Now, here's the fun part. Unlike traditional methods, there's no need for backbreaking excavation or those complicated wooden molds that take forever. Instead, the concrete is pumped directly into the fabric through a hose. But don't be fooled. This isn't just any concrete mix. It's specially designed to flow like melted chocolate into every corner while still staying tough as nails once it hardens. In the end, this innovative approach doesn't just save time and money. It creates a super durable canal that's ready to handle whatever nature throws at it. From start to finish, this high-tech process is a total game-changer for construction, and the MK Project team is leading the way. And now, the magic begins. The concrete starts flowing, and as it fills the fabric mold, something amazing happens. The fabric inflates, perfectly shaping the channel's contours like an artist molding clay. It's oddly satisfying to watch, but it's not just about pouring and hoping for the best. Throughout the injection, the technicians are on high alert, constantly monitoring the pressure and flow rate. They're making real-time adjustments to ensure the concrete is evenly distributed with consistent density. It's like watching a high-stakes science experiment, but on a massive scale. Oh, and the team isn't just battling concrete. They're battling the heat too. Luckily, they've got state-of-the-art jackets with built-in, battery-powered fans to stay cool. Who knew construction could look this futuristic? Now, here's where it gets even cooler. The fabric itself is a marvel of engineering. Made from synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon, it's pre-shaped with perfectly designed folds and seams. These aren't just there for looks. They serve two critical purposes. First, they reinforce the structure, and second, they guide the flow of concrete during the injection process, ensuring everything is evenly filled without any weak spots. And the magic of fabric doesn't stop there. It's also permeable, allowing excess water from the concrete mix to escape. This accelerates the curing process, shaving off precious time compared to traditional methods. No more waiting for weeks. This canal is coming together fast. The process is staged for ultimate precision. First, the base and one sidewall are filled. Once these sections partially harden, a clever draw thread, basically a concrete zipper, is pulled to open up the next section. This temporary barrier keeps everything under control during the initial pour, ensuring no mess and perfect results every time. As the concrete sets into a strong, robust structure that conforms perfectly to the mold, the team takes a moment to review their progress. They can't help but appreciate how this innovative technique has made life so much easier. Let's be real, building formwork the traditional way would have been a grueling, time-consuming nightmare. But with fabric formwork, it's construction on beast mode. Who wouldn't want to try this revolutionary approach? Let's be honest, the original work here wasn't exactly top-notch, which is why this repair is so critical. But here's the kicker. Traditional methods for fixing this would be a total headache. They're time-consuming, labor-intensive, and demand a ton of manpower. And let's face it, the civil engineering industry is already facing a serious worker shortage. Think about it. Building the formwork, pouring the concrete, hitting the bottom wall. It's a long list of steps. And even if we dug a channel, it wouldn't be enough. Why? Because we'd also have to dig extra deep just to assemble the rear frame. Then there's the retaining wall, which takes forever to complete. And don't forget backfilling it after. Traditional methods feel like an endless cycle of hurry up and wait, but with fabric formwork, things are different, way more efficient and way less stressful. The number of steps, the time, cut significantly, and the result? A streamlined process that's faster, cheaper, and ultimately better. Even the mold itself is engineered for success, unlike the bumpy, water-slowing surface of traditional methods. This mold creates a smooth, fast-flowing channel. It's a win-win all around. The team couldn't be happier with the progress. This cutting-edge technique is keeping the project on track for completion in just 2 days. 2 days. And here's the secret sauce: the fabric's permeability. It allows excess water to escape, which lowers the water-cement ratio. Translation? Stronger, longer-lasting concrete with less cracking over time. It's all about quality and durability. Of course, the fabric has to stay in place while the concrete is being poured. That's no small feat. To stabilize it against the weight, tension ropes are attached to the fabric and anchored to sturdy stakes driven deep into the ground. Then, lever blocks are used to tighten everything up, preventing any shifting or collapsing during injection. This meticulous process is repeated section by section to ensure everything is shaped and stabilized perfectly. And the innovation doesn't stop there. Researchers are already working on integrating sensors into the fabric to monitor curing and stress in real time. Imagine knowing exactly what's happening with the concrete as it sets. How cool is that? As the second day begins, the team continues their steady, focused pace. This game-changing method isn't just revolutionizing canal repairs and flood control. It has potential for retaining walls, landscaping, architectural designs, and more. Fabric formwork is paving the way for a new era in construction. Who's ready for the next innovation? This innovative fabric formwork technique is gaining major traction in Japan, Canada, and the United States, proving it's more than just a local trend. It's a global game changer. With widespread adoption on the horizon, the goal of creating a durable, resilient channel capable of handling future water flows is well within reach. And the best part? This project is already past the halfway mark, running at full speed. To put this into perspective, achieving the same results with traditional methods would have taken weeks, if not months. But here's the catch. Realizing the full potential of fabric formwork requires skilled crews who know their stuff. That's why training is key. Workers are mastering this groundbreaking technique, which not only leads to safer jobs and faster construction, but also strengthens local communities. With these skills, workers rely less on outside help, gaining better job opportunities and solidifying their importance within the industry. As each section of the formwork is set and filled, quality checks kick into overdrive. Workers use their feet to apply gentle pressure, smoothing out the surface, ensuring even internal pressure, and eliminating pesky air pockets. It's hands-on precision at its finest. Floods aren't just about water. They cause billions of dollars in property damage and infrastructure collapse every year. Not to mention the threat to human life. Investing in technologies like this isn't just smart, it's essential. And in earthquake-prone regions like Japan, the stakes are even higher. Fabric formwork's inherent flexibility, combined with the strength of reinforced concrete, results in structures that are better equipped to withstand seismic activity. It's innovation built for the long haul. Once the concrete hardens, the finishing touches begin. Technicians refine the edges of the fabric for a seamless fit and conduct a full inspection to make sure every detail meets the required specifications. With just one sidewall left to complete, The team is on track to finish the project within the remaining 2-day time frame. Talk about efficiency. Now here's something cool. The final concrete pour includes a small extension of fabric called a filling point, which prevents overflow. Once it's packed and tied off, the workers leave a neat little protrusion behind. As the concrete sets and the channel takes its final form, the outer surface is flushed clean, removing any debris and leaving behind a pristine, resilient structure. The results are nothing short of remarkable. A robust, fully enclosed waterway is completed in record time, something that once seemed impossible. Thanks to this revolutionary technique and the skilled workers behind it, the project is a testament to what modern construction can achieve. This is more than just a one-time success. It's the future of construction. Faster, stronger, safer, and more efficient, fabric formwork is paving the way for a new era of engineering. As technology continues to evolve, who knows what groundbreaking innovations are next?